Tragedy struck again today. Innocent lives were taken. What must prevail is hope.
And what's your full name?
Quincy Jordy Nang, or Quincy Nang.
I heard a lot of people speaking today. Did you have a favorite message you heard?
I think it was really the overwhelming thread of love and refusal of blanket painting a situation and promoting and perpetuating hate. I think everybody came in very strongly saying that we refuse to continue that cycle of hate, and that was beautiful to hear.
The sound that saved the wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was mine, but now I see.
As you go home today, ensure that the seed of sorrow grows into a tree of love and not of hate.